Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see about request module in Python. So consider internet is a giant restaurant of different websites. So in a restaurant generally we do get a menu and place order via the waiter. Similarly, to get the internet resources and to post your data on the server, we use request module in Python. So module is something which we have already learned. It is a group of functions and classes which will serve your purpose. Here it will serve you to get and post the resources from the internet. So how do we get the menu? So here comes our fancy pizza shop, slice of life. Now here we are going to order the food. Before that, let's get the menu. So to do that, we have to do the get request. So import request followed by request.get function. So get is the function used to get the data from a website resource. So we have to add URL of the website. So URL is something uniform resource locator of a particular website. So now this in turn it will result resources, the data which we have received from that URL. Now we have got the menu. So let's order some food. So to do that we have created a data. The data is something which can be in the form of the type which is acceptable as per the website. That will be mentioned in the content type. Let's see this more in the future videos. Now we are going to post our data. We are going to post in the order URL. So specifically each website has a different URL for its purpose. Now we have posted our data. This in turn will receive the status code. Status code is something to check what has happened, whether our request has been successful or there is some error. So let's say you have ordered a chocolate pizza and it is not available. Definitely the waiter will say the dish is not available, right? So similarly here also if the status code is 404, that means the resource is not found. If it is found successfully, it will return 200 as a status code. We have so many error codes like this, successful and error codes like this. We can check in the future videos. So this is basic about the request module in Python. Let's create a request on the real website in the upcoming video. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.